Okay, you need not respond. Please mute your phones. Mute your phones. Now, the other day we learned about the trees. The small little girl Amrita, how she sacrificed her life, how she fought for the benefit of the trees. Now today we will go to the next topic. Before I go, I want to show you something. What is this?
Honey.
Honey, very good. Honey.
Honey, ma'am. Honey, ma'am.
Honey. Now,
Honey.
I am writing here honey. We will do, in third class also we have done this. We will do mind mapping. Mind mapping. When you think of, they can't see it. Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see what I wrote on it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, done.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
When you think of honey, what are the words which come into your mind? When you think of honey, what are the words which? Yes? Honey bees. Okay, this is the honey bee. This is the honey bee. Honey bee. What else? Honeycomb. Wow. Wow. Honeycomb. Can you see the honeycomb?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. We think of
Yes, ma'am.
honeycomb.
Yes, ma'am.
What else you think of? Honeybees. This is the honeybee. Honeycomb. Okay. Yes. What, Abhijit? Honey hive. Very good. Beehive. It is called beehive. Honey hive or beehive. Beehive. What else you think of? What other words you get into your mind when you think of honeybee? You get a honeybee in your mind. This is honey. Okay, this is honey. This is honeybee. This is your beehive. And this is your honeycomb. Come on, tell me what other words you get into your mind when you think of honey. Abhijit, come on, tell me. What do you use honey for? Yes? Flowers. Oh, very good. Who said flowers? Honeybees collect honey from the flowers. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Wonderful. Wonderful. Flowers. Wonderful. What other thing? What else you think? When you think of honeybee, what else you get into your mind? It is used as medicine also? Yes, yes, yes. Honey is used as medicine also. Medicine also. And then what else honey is used for? Sweet, very good. Sweet, sweet, okay. It is used as a sweetener, isn't it? In some people in tea in juices and all. Other than sugar, they use even honey. Isn't it? It is good for health. What else? What else? People also use in sandwich. Isn't it? They put sandwich in the, they put honey in the bread and eat it as sandwich. So these are the different words which come into our mind when you say honey. What is honeybee? What kind of animal is honeybee?
It is an insect.
It is an insect. Very good, Akshara. Is it Akshara who answered?
Ma'am, honeybees have a insect, have a beak.
It is an insect. Did any time honeybee sting you? Huh? It is harmless. It stings, but it is harmless. See, it has two antenna. It has one. It will have wings also. It goes from flower to flower to collect the honey and put it in the beehive. It makes a honeycomb, and in that it will collect honey to make a beehive. Isn't it? So our next lesson is about another girl called Anita. Okay, who collects honey and who rears honeybees, who collects honey and sells the honey. People also rear honeybees. Rearing means what? Like how people rear buffaloes, cows, hen, like that. Even people rear honeybees and they make honey and they sell it in the market. How do we get this honey? Because someone has collected the honey from the beehives and they have sold it in the market. So we are getting the honey. So we are learning in this lesson about a girl called Anita who rears honeybees, collects all the honey and then sells it to the wholesaler, and the wholesaler will sell it to the retail shops. Wholesaler means a fellow who purchases the quantities in whole amounts and he gives it to the small shops. He is called a retailer. We go to the small shops and bring the material. This honey I purchased from, say, Ratnadeep or so. From where that Ratnadeep fellow will get? He will get it from the wholesaler. From where that wholesaler will get the honey? The wholesaler will get the honey from the makers who make the honey, who collect the honey. So here in our class, today we are learning about a girl called Anita who collects the honey and then sells it to the wholesaler, and the wholesaler will sell it to the retailers. From the retailers, we purchase the honey and use it in different things like sweets, medicines, sandwich and things like that. All of you mute your phones, mute your microphone. Abhijit, Akshay, Gauri, Amol, please mute your phones, okay? Mute your phones, don't make noise. Listen. Now what you do is, I will put the same video again in your Google Meet, Google Classroom. All of you in a fresh page, white page, you have to draw this mind mapping with honey in the center. And what are the different words which you get from the, when you think of honey, you talk about, it comes from an insect. It comes from honeybees. Honeybee is an insect. Insects will have a honeycomb, and with the honeycomb it will have a beehive. The house of the honeybee is called a beehive. Honeybees live in a beehive. We live in the house and honeybees live in a beehive. And from this honey we make medicines, we make sweets, we eat in sandwich, and we also, instead of sugar, we use honey in our lemon juice or tea. Some people use honey even in the T. So like this, different people use in different ways, and you have to write the same thing in your classwork notebook. Today I will upload the lesson notes for even Amrita, story of Amrita. You write the story of Amrita. I will upload the notes. After writing that, in the next lesson, that is Anita and Honeybees, then you will, on the first white page, you will draw this mind mapping. Is that clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any doubts about it? You can unmute and ask me if you want.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
To say yes, madam, no need of saying yes, madam. If you have a doubt, you ask me.
Yes, ma'am.
Someone said I have a doubt.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the doubt? What for you are saying yes, madam? What doubt you are having?
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Now please tell, Abhijit.
Ma'am, we should draw it in our classwork also, ma'am.
In the classwork only you have to draw. Not in the, you need not upload it into your, because it is only simply copying. There is nothing else, isn't it? So you do it in your classwork. No need of uploading in the Google Classroom. But I'll put it in the Google Classroom. You see and copy it in your classwork.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Hmm. So let's now shall we shift to our Google Classroom?
Ma'am,